about to go sledding. Wow. How graceful. No.
Hi everyone, my name is AJ.
And my name's Nevaeh. Welcome back to a Sister Magic video.
In today's video, we will be making something very special for our friends and family.
Before we get started, we have to change.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
It's called And we're back and let's get started.
Today we will be making some very special bath bombs, but we did change up the recipe just a little bit for this specific batch.
In this bowl, we have 41,000 grams of baking soda mixed with
hibiscus
tea.
The color looks a bit odd, but that's just because hibiscus reacts differently when it comes in contact with a base or acid. So the baking soda makes the color change and it looks really weird. That's normal.
And it won't look like this at the end.
When Nevaeh is mixing, I wanted to give a special shout out to Raylan. She has her own YouTube channel, and it's Cowgirl Country 777. Her channel is linked down below. Make sure to put the @ before everything else.
Feels like a great cheese.
Next, we will add 54 grams of cream of tartar. This helps the bath bombs harden and hold their shape.
Whee! Ooh, looks like a fluffy cow.
Cow?
Cloud. My bad.
Ow.
Oh, darling. Listen, I'm bumming top. I like it. In this cup, we will have 35 grams of SLSA. Be careful because this can make you sneeze. And that's why we wear masks. What are you doing?
Oh wait, the Callan clay. To this we add 25 grams of Callan clay. This is great for the overall feel of your skin and yeah, it does other good stuff. And to mix. Okay, so next we're gonna add the oils. We heated 5 grams of hibiscus infused with shea butter and 9 grams of jojoba oil.
Both are great moisturizers and skincare for the soft on the skin.
Yeah, go.
Bombastic side eye.
To add the bubble effect, we are adding 10 grams of, oh my gosh, Bubble Boost, which is a mixture of water, obviously, cocoa bean, sodium chloride, and glycerin. You wouldn't have this stuff at home, I hope, unless you are buying it solely for the purpose of this. Because if you have this at home, that's a little bit concerning. Oh dear goodness.
Michael.
I'm left-handed, this won't work. Please don't hit me. Mama. Elbowing. This is what happens when you're left-handed. By the way. Okay, cat. Ran up the stairs.
Sushi run.
Exactly. Help me.
Help me! Help me!
You remember sushi? We'll just give you a little tiny clip of this cat.
Oh my gosh.
Next, we will. Next is citric
acid.
Citrus acid. We will add 905. We will mix this. We will mix this in. And we will mix this in vigor. This makes the. It makes it fizz when it touches water. Where is that? This?
Yes, that big thing. That big measuring cup.
And this is how huge it is.
Yeah, that's really big.
You saw?
Jeez, that's a lot.
Wait. Let me just. Yeah, I'm sorry. Strong. Just need to get that dust out of there.
These Mickey Mouse masks would not do us justice.
Masks are not great when you smell through something. No!
Oh God, my eye! My eye! The fan! Okay, it doesn't really hurt, but I'm just being dramatic.
Is it me? Am I the drama?
Like the me I am.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You know sushi, like that video? Make sure you watch that, because if you didn't, then you're missing a lot.
Like on my eye.
But we'll give you a little hint.
Like by my eye, not inside my eye.
If you didn't see that pet video, make sure you go down. Make sure you go to our YouTube channel and go see it. Because if you're watching this one, you might want to go. What do you need, cat?
Wow. One on the stairs.
Like I was saying, if you didn't see the if you didn't see the sushi video, then you can go see that first before you see this one.
Please and thank you.
Please, and comment down below.
It's linked down below.
Yay!
Happy. Jeez. In this beaker, we have 24 grams of fragrance. Before we mix in the fragrance, we're going to add half a teaspoon of mica, and then mix them together.
I can see you. Oh, what?
Yeah. Oh yeah, mica. Mica first. Yeah. Totally forgot about. Ugh. I'm itchy.
Girl, stop. I'm itchy. Come wait. Woo! This is the perfect way to do your makeup. Normally you see just
Convenient.
dropping in like
That's all gonna go in anyway. If it's all this fine.
Look, we're making Takis. I don't think that's blue. Wait, purple.
The color of the bag.
Yeah, but blue are better. Yes.
Yeah, blue Takis are way better.
What is this? Green eggs and pink? Wait, what is this? Purple eggs and ham? Purple eggs and ham?
Yeah, purple eggs and ham.
Wait, yellow ham? Green eggs and ham.
Green eggs and ham. Oh, jeez. Yes.
At this point, everything was going great. Like mustard. Wait, no, dough. Oh my god.
I need someone to roll up my sleeve.
This ain't gonna be sure.
Well, this went
Really
very wrong. We hope that you at least enjoyed our failure. And stay tuned for part 2 so we can fix this
It smells like berries and
disaster of a bath bomb. Anyways, we hope you have a wonderful night. Stay warm, stay safe. Goodbye.
Wait,
What?
don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And make sure you're still waiting because we have a lot more videos to edit. We have made tons.
And follow us on all our socials.
And we love you. Bye.
They weren't
Why
gonna
would I be there? And also, make sure you watch these videos. They're really fun. Bye. Ugh, get off. I love you. I love you.
Can you hear me? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. That should be a blue.
And then it.
I forgot to.
Oh, you can spray.
I don't think that was for mixing, AJ. But thanks for the knowledge. More. Okay. No, I like it. It's kind of going a bit too slow. Okay, maybe not hurt the table.
Or counter. Whee! Oh, geez, that's really strong for
Ew. I don't like the flavor. No, I don't like the flavor.
Ready? I'm gonna let you know I caught that on camera. And if the sound comes through, I'm putting it on the blooper reel.
Yes.
Okay. All right.